Newly emerging technology. Hello everyone, in today's lesson we'll be discussing newly emerging technology. In today's lesson we will be discussing a variety of ways educators can enhance their learning for students with OERs. What can we do with this? We have open educational resources, also known as OERs. OERs are open content that is free for educators and others to use in the classroom. How can OERs impact learning? They provide critical course material, reduce the cost of textbooks, engage the learner by having them watch videos and participate in games, improve student learning outcomes, free access to quality educational resources. With an OER, an educator can adapt a full lesson plan for students individually, and they can also keep them and reuse them later. What are some ways that they can be used? They're used in the classroom to help educators save time and advance students' learning in the classroom. OERs can supplement textbooks and lectures where deficiencies in information are evident. Enhancement of regular course content. An example would be in science class. Educators can find an OER video on plants and incorporate them into the lesson. Can we find OERs? Well, a great way to start is by doing a basic search or going to your library database. Or you can go to this website right here that I provided. This website provides educational resources to other educators. In the website, you can search by grade level, standard, and subject. What are other forms of OERs? This includes open coursework, open access to journals, and online. How do we know if it's an OER? Well, we can look for these few things. Include permission for anyone to use, modify, and share open access. Content is provided free of charge to educational institutions. Content services users such as students and lifelong learners. It has an open format. Content is produced to open functionalities that allow for easy use. Lastly, some advantages and disadvantages of using OERs. Advantages: it expands students' learning, affordable and accessible. Teachers can customize course material to meet the students' individual needs. Help prior learning and after learning. Some of the disadvantages include the quality, the lack of understanding it. Creating one takes time and a lot of effort. And lastly, it's internet-based and traditional method-based.